Hi everyone, today I'm in Portsmouth, Rhode Island on board a beautiful 2001 Sabre 36 Express Cricket. I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a detailed walkthrough tour of Cricket. This boat has been tremendously upgraded by her owner since she was purchased in 2020. A laundry list of upgrades on this boat, including new bow thruster, new generator, 1,000-hour service on the engines, newer Garmin electronics, all sorts of upgrades that I'll forget most of as we go through the boat. But make sure to take a close look at the listing, which is in a link below the video, as well as my contact information. So let's go take a look at Cricket. All right, beautiful morning here in Portsmouth, Rhode Island. Taking a look at this 2001 Sabre 36 Express Cricket. Tons and tons of upgrades on this boat. She was full-time captain maintained by our previous owner. Current owner purchased her in 2020 and has really maintained her with an open checkbook. Beautiful flag blue painted hull with the red and white boot stripes, red bottom, classic New England down east look. The top sides and the decks have been painted. That was not done recently by the current owner, but do have the crazing issue that you see in these early 2000s production boats. Really a lot of makes and models, and this one has very minimal of that, if any. You can see all the exterior teak's been done recently. This aluminum framed soft top back here, you can run with that at wide open throttle. That's a custom piece, and hard to miss the beautiful varnished teak cockpit door there. Coming into the cockpit, I've got the St. Croix stainless steel removable davits, and then this entry door really makes it easy to get in and out of the boat. Of course, you can climb over the gunnel there too. All new canvas here. This forward-facing aft bench seat is a very cool custom piece that folds away, so you can see with the legs down we lose access to these two hatches, but very easy to fold that up and out of the way. Hot and cold freshwater shower back here. And we've got the Nova Cool fridge to starboard. Give you a quick walk up on deck before we go inside. The isinglass, there's not a scratch on it. Looks awesome. Glass looks good. We look up top at the painted non-skid. Muir stainless anchor windlass, stainless steel Bruce anchor. Got some storage here, port and starboard, and our foot pedals. These 36s were all soft tops from the factory. A lot of folks did a custom hard top like you see here. This one's very nice with the integrated hatches and the downlights inside the cabin, which you'll see in a sec. This pilot house door really changes the boat. You can fully enclose this pilot house, get complete protection from the weather, makes the boat quieter. You do have full climate control in here, so there is a dedicated air conditioning unit with reverse cycle heat for this pilot house. Nice co-pilot seat here to port. You've got some 110 outlets, cup holders, binocular holders, chart table. To starboard is your helm seat. Newer Garmin electronics. This screen was new when the current owner bought the boat. He put in the Garmin reactor autopilot, the bow thruster, all sorts of different additions here. New VHF radio. And then aft we've got this forward-facing bench seat, so a nice place to hang out here. These curtains do zip up and snap in. You can see the snaps in the hardtop. Same with over here and on starboard side. And then for some more ventilation, we have the center opening lower portion of the windshield window and the two overhead hatches. See how nice and shiny that hardtop is. We've got about 1,600 hours on both of our Yanmars. Those all got a 1,000-hour service a year ago with the Yanmar dealer here in New England. Nice big U-shaped settee to starboard. tons and tons and tons of storage on these boats. It's amazing what Sabre is able to fit on a 36-foot boat. There's your lower Garmin, the new Fusion Bluetooth stereo. We've got our Fisher Panda generator control. I mentioned that was brand new. Here's a look at our electrical panel. You can see the newer Dometic panel there, new air conditioner. This light here is on a dimmer, which is really nice. You can dim these lights down. New stainless steel refrigerator, microwave, convection oven, and the 2-burner Kenyan electric cooktop. And again, storage left, right, and center here, all throughout the boat. Deep storage lockers. It's climate controlled down here as well. There's a dedicated air conditioning unit. We do also have the 12-volt fans. Keep it cool. You can see port and starboard. So if you don't want to run the generator, or if you're not on the dock, you can pretty easily get a nice breeze going down here. Big center island berth. And then off to starboard, we have access to the head on board. Vacuum flush, Dometic, freshwater toilet. And then we do have 2 access doors here. So if you have someone sleeping out here, or just don't want people into your primary stateroom, you can close that privacy door here and still have access to the head from out here in the companionway. Nice hanging locker to starboard, and overhead opening hatch right here. The teak and holly sole here has been refinished. It's in excellent condition. All the wood down here looks very nice. See beneath the portholes. This teak in the cockpit here was replaced recently. Well, that's all nice and thick and new. Take a look down here real quick. The engine mechanical space. We've got the twin Yanmars here. These Sabre 36s cruise easily in the mid-20s. Really comfortable at 20 to 22 knots in heavier weather, and you can easily cruise at 80% load and be at 24, 25 knots, topping out pretty close to 30 knots. I'll get this folded up and show you guys the new genset. Taking a look in here, this is our brand new Fisher Panda genset. Easy access to our storage hatches here, port and starboard. That's the gen start battery. Got some through hauls, battery switches, nice storage area. We've got a matching one over here. Nice flush mount, rod holders. You can see with folding that seat up how nice it is to have it out of the way to access these, and it's pretty easy to just pop that back down, use it back as a seat. Thank you all for tagging along on this walkthrough tour of Cricket. If you have any questions about this 2001 Sabre 36 Express, feel free to contact me directly. My contact information is right below the video.